Here is one of my color blocking swipes. I'm just spinning it and tilting it out now. I want you to see it in all of its, I don't like holes, so I'm not crazy about this part. But, cells in general, if they're colorful, they don't bother me as much, but the lacing is pretty. And you've got so much depth. I hope when it dries, that depth will remain. But we're going to have to tilt a little more, so we're not totally done here. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Here it is. It's on its drying thing, so it's nice and level. And I'm going to put it off the bed, obviously, and put it on the straight level floor, but here it is in all of its glory. It's got a weird mix of colors. I regret the quinacridone azo gold with the blue. It just clashes so much because it is everywhere. It's down here too. So maybe overall it will work depending on the orientation. This is kind of weird how you have these lines here. But that's how I spun it out, and I had to kind of stop because we were going to lose a lot of lacing, and we may not save it all, but there's going to be layers under here of things too. Look at the cells under here that you can barely see, and the ones that we scooped around and changed places with, the weird areas like over there. And then this pink over here, very loud. And look at this with the gold. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's really pretty. Because the gold cell activator, the gold was really came through, along with this big floral bunch of mega cells. I did tip a lot of these off because I'm not a big fan of holes, and they looked a bit hole-like to me, but like this thing here. Anyway, there's another one. I don't know, these are kind of like giant cells, just like, remember, you're still dealing with cellular things. Anyway, it's different, I'll give it that. And let's see how it dries, and then I'll show you that in another video. I gotta go. Bye-bye.